Welcome to ET Math Academy. Today our topic is unit circle. So let's understand what exactly is a unit circle in trigonometry. This is the circle. So unit circle exactly means this is the center of the circle and the radius is 1 unit. So this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. So when the radius is equal to 1 unit from the center, it's called a unit circle, and this is the basic model that is used to calculate. It is used to calculate trigonometric values, trigonometric identities. So all the identities in all the different coordinates is calculated based upon this unit circle. So today I'm going to explain you how to remember the values and how you can draw the unit circle. So let's start up here and let's draw a neat circle here. So here is the unit circle and here is the center. Let's mark the center as C, and I'm going to draw my coordinates here, X and Y. Okay, so this is X and this is Y on the coordinate system. As I have mentioned, this is 1 unit radius. So what do you think the coordinates would be? X comma Y, here the ordered pairs would become X value is 1 and it's on the origin, so Y value becomes 0. Similarly, the coordinates here becomes negative X and 0, and the coordinates on the top, Y value is 1 and X value is 0, and on the bottom it becomes negative Y. So this is 0 and Y value is 1, and here on the bottom X value is 0 and Y value is minus 1. So let's write these values first, and later this is called quadrant 1 and this is quadrant 2 and this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4. So now let's draw the lines here, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So we can mark this as 30, 45, 60, and here 90 plus 30, which is 120, and 90 plus 45, which is 135. This is 90 plus 60, which is 150. And here you have 180. This is 180. And here again 180 plus 30, 180 plus 45, and 180 plus 60. So this is how you draw that. So 180 plus 30 is 210, plus 45 is 225, and plus 60 is 240. This is 270. Okay, and here 270 plus 30 plus 45 and plus 60. 270 plus 30 is nothing but 300. 270 plus 45 is 315. 270 plus 60, which is 330. Okay, so this is how you draw it, and you can represent also in the form of radians. This is all degrees, so you can write down this pi by 3 as pi by 6 in radians, and 45 is pi by 4, 60 is pi by 3, 180 by 3 is 60, and pi here is 180 degrees, and 120 here. For 120 we need to write it as 2 pi over 3, and for 135 it is 3 pi over 4, and for 3 pi over 4, and for here it is 5 pi over 6, and this is pi, and this 210 is again 7 pi over 6, and 225 here is 5 pi over 4, 240 is 4 pi over 3, and 270 is, it is 3 pi over 4, and 300 is 5 pi over 7, and this is 330. 330 here is 11 pi over 6, and this is 7 pi over 4. So to convert this, the easiest way to do is 60 is a degrees, and you multiply it with pi over 180, and 60 times 1, 60 times 3, which gives us pi by 3. So if you can remember only the degrees, then you can multiply that degree values here with pi by 180, then you will get the radiant values. So remember, the easiest way is 0, 30, 45, 60, 190, 90 plus 30, 90 plus 45, 90 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 30, 180 plus 60, 180 plus 45, plus 180 plus 60, 270, 270 plus 30, 270 plus 45, 270 plus 60. Okay. So in this video, I have just shown you how to draw the unit circle, what exactly is the unit circle, how you need to draw the unit circle, and how you can mention the different degrees and the radian values. So I'm going to redraw this same figure in my next video, where I'm going to explain the values for sine and cosine trigonometric values for each of these degrees, and how does the sine and cosine values change from one quadrant to the another quadrant. So I'm going to show you that in my next video. And hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy. Enjoy doing math at AT. Thank you.